Oh man. Oh no. Is the don't tell me the battery's dead in the car. Please don't. Oh wait, I don't have the key with me. Dude, it's been so long since I've actually driven this car. I literally took the 2-valve key. Oh my god, I'm like, no, the battery's dead. Oh my god. Try this again. Yes! Yes! Alright, let's go, baby. It has been literally so long since I've driven, oh my gosh, the Shelby. Whew. This is the longest I've actually went without turning this car on, man. Jesus. Dude. There's literally a goddamn spider web in here. What the fuck? Look at this, guys. There's literally a spider web in the car. Alright, so now that I got that spider web out the way, I can't believe that happened. Let's see if it even turns on. It's been 2 weeks since I've actually driven this car, since it's been turned on. PSI. That's how you know it's been sitting a while. Shit. Ugh. Woo! I smell that E85. How much gas I got? Enough. God damn. Stay out. I've not taken this car out because the weather's been shit. I've been busy, which is a good thing. 100% not complaining about that. But I didn't want to take it out because, oh my god, there's another damn spider web around this car. Bro, there's so many like spider webs around this car. I need to actually not do this again. Ugh. I need to not do this again. I need to take this car out more instead of letting it sit for like 2 weeks. Shit, dude. I need to take this thing out like once every like 4 days, honestly. I really do. But let me go ahead and strap the GoPro up. This car is literally cold as ice right now because it has not been turned on in 2 weeks. Alright, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. As you guys can see, we're in the 350, man, the Shelby GT350. It has been a very long time since I've actually went ahead and driven this car, a very long time. You guys saw there were some spider webs in here, which is actually insane, crazy. I can't tell you the last time I drove this car. I think it was like 2 weeks ago or something like that, right before the weather got real bad out here in Texas, before it got cold, rainy, you know, just weather that you're not really trying to go ahead and take any type of car out. And that's kind of the last time I actually drove this car, man. And wow, so I'm driving the 2-valve, going back in this. It is incredibly different. Like this car, obviously, you know, it's a new age Mustang versus an S550, but just the clutch engagement, everything, just cruising the car around town. This is, it is literally alien. Like, I don't really think people understand the difference going from a 99 to 04 Mustang jumping into an S550. Like, it's night and day. Like, there's a reason why people just get to the S550s and then they just never look back. Or if they go back, you know, it's to put a Coyote, you know, in a 99 to 04 car. It is literally crazy, the difference, man. Like, you can, like, these cars, like, they literally drive themselves. Like, I'm like, just, they literally drive themselves. Oh shit, that guy just blew that red light. These cars literally drive themselves, man. They drive amazing, they feel amazing. The 350 is a driver's car, but I'm not gonna lie, that added tech, it's literally a luxury in this thing. It literally is a luxury in this thing. But something I'm not gonna do is let this car sit for like 2 weeks. I'm not gonna do that again. The only reason it sat for 2 weeks is because, you know, the weather's been shitty, and like I haven't even been able to really come out with this car. If I do come out, it's at night, and obviously the night shenanigans, I'm gonna be in the 99. Let me go ahead and switch this thing to the fun mode real quick. Oh my god, the active exhaust. Whew, this thing feels so different though, dude. Like just cruising it, like the shifter position alone, bro. Like I don't understand. Like, see, like I'm almost stalling this bitch out. And these cars, I just said these cars drive themselves. Oh my god, I'm so used to that 99. That guy got a 392. Don't try it. I gotta get over as well, man. Whew. Gotta make a run to the store. That's the only reason why I'm taking this car out right now. Is I gotta make a run to the store, and it's nice out. Oh, here it goes, guys. Pull this car to slumber. I gotta slaughter a 392. Nah, I be talking so much bullshit on Dodge. I actually fuck with Dodge too, like no cap. I like all cars, but you know, you guys know the Ford Dodge banter. I gotta get E85. Damn, that C8 is fucking clean. Oh my god. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes. Oh no, he's not coming. Is he gonna pull up? Oh, here he comes. Doors off this car real quick. I'm gonna blow the doors off this car real quick. Is there a cop coming? Nah. I wasn't gonna honk it off because it wasn't something serious. As soon as I heard that, as soon as I heard that car go, I said, nope, bye-bye. Oh, man. There I go trying to stall this bitch out. I didn't even take it out all the way either. Now before anybody says, oh, why didn't you honk it off, or, you know, hand gesture, his window was down, he didn't roll it up, you know what I'm saying? It's all for fun. Plus, that is a very bad area to be doing any type of bullshit like that. So, I just downshifted. He pulled up next to me. He got close. As soon as I heard his car go, that little heavy torque, I was like, all right, bet, bye-bye. I was gonna let that guy get the hit. I kind of wanted to give him the hit. Dude, honestly, I done forgot how to drive this car. Like, I really forgot how to drive the Shelby. Like, dude, oh my goodness. I really forgot how to drive this thing because my shifting used to be so much faster, even lifting in this car. Like, that was bad. I'm not gonna lie. I granny shifted the hell out of that. Oh my goodness, bro. Like, it's true, when you don't have a lot of seat time or you drive a car and then, you know, you stop driving it, because I have not ran this car in like probably like 7-8 months, legitimately. It's gonna be, I think, like 7-8 months since I've actually like ran this car. Man, dude, it's been a hot minute. I done like lost my driver mod, and there's Houston's finest right there, all getting subs. Oh my goodness. Get a little walk around on this thing before I go get my groceries. Took this thing out. Had to get a run in real quick. Not really a run, it's a little friendly Ford Dodge. That's probably the last pull I'm doing this thing for the rest of the year. No cap. I'm not even kidding when I say that. Oh, that FRS making some noise over there. No cap, that's probably the last time I'm probably doing a pull on this car for a minute. What is my... Okay, yeah. Bet. What is my other shit? Alright, bet. Yeah, be good. PSI went up. Alright, let me go ahead and get some groceries and catch up with you guys when I get back. Alright guys, got some groceries. I actually put my groceries in the front seat. I don't know if I'm the only person that does that. I might be the only person that does that. Oh my goodness. But it's nice outside, man. Like, it's Texas is weird, bro, because it'd be cold as hell at night, like 50. Like, I think it's supposed to get down to 40s in the next couple of days, but during the day it's nice. It's like 70, it's 76 right now. It's almost 80 degrees, which is nice. So hopefully I don't stall out pulling out. Oh my goodness, dude. I'm telling you, these S550s, they feel so different, bro. Okay, what the hell are y'all motherfuckers doing right now, man? Why is there two people trying to convene on this? Probably wasn't a good idea rolling that stop when there's Houston's finest literally around the corner, but they might be on lunch break. They got more important shit to worry about. Woo! Go ahead and put this thing in the fun mode as soon as we turn. Come on, truck. Oh, we gonna catch the light? Are we gonna catch the light? Are we gonna catch the light? I don't know. Nope, we didn't. Damn. Come on, man. What is all this traffic? Come on, man. Come on, man. Car is just so nice. You don't even have to be going fast. You don't even have to ring it out. It is so nice just cruising this car. Actually, let me check. When's the next time I gotta check? I think it's 1500. Need to check this. Yeah, I think like 1500. 1450, I don't know. It might be 15. I haven't driven the car in 2 weeks. Dude, I forgot the oil interval check, but I don't think I was coming up on it soon. Might be like 1500 or 1450, I don't know. Realistically, I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to, I don't think I'm gonna have to change the oil again this year, to be honest with you. Just because I don't really drive the car as much as of right now. I mean, the weather's gonna get not really shittier, but it's gonna get colder, and I really don't want to drive these Mickeys when it gets below like 30 degrees. I mean, I've done it before, but I just prefer not to, and because I don't oh my god, what is that? Oh, it's a Camaro. As I was saying, I've done it before. I can do it. It's not a big deal, but since I technically don't have to do it, I ain't gonna do it. But we'll bust the car out like probably every 4 days. Just to hear those downshifts, man. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm keeping it a buck. The 350 sound better than the 2 valves, man. I'm just look, and I have a 2 valve. Even with the cam and the Pro Charger, just like the sharp. I love the sharp bite that this car has, bro. That's what I love about it. Even boosted, they kind of lose that sharp bite because of those turbos. But if you do actually have, like, you know, dumps, or you change the X pipe, it can sound good. But man, dude, these things got that. They got that bite, bro. I just smell that E85 too, man. Oh my god. Ah, the E85 smells so good, man. Ooh, is it cammed? No. It sounded like it was cam coming down, because you can kind of tell like a Camaro's cam. It has like that kind of like sharp like bite too on a decel. I love me a nice cam, you know, 5th gen Camaro. I think everybody fell in love with the Camaro with the 5th gens, no cap. Those old school Camaros get down too because the weight. I've seen, actually, to be honest with you, I've seen a lot of like faster old school Camaros than I have like the 5th gens. It's kind of like with the new edge Mustangs. Like, you'll see a lot more like faster new edge Mustangs than, like, you know, the 05 to 10 3 valves, just because of just like the era. I see a lot of 392s out today, boy. Imagine if I ran into that 392 on the 2 valve. Oh god, that would have been horrible for him. That would have been real bad. Actually, no shit, I probably would have lost. Because it would have been a 60. Man, that would have been so bad if I would have ran into that 392 in the 2 valve. Woo! Alright, y'all, hope you enjoyed the video. I want to take this car out. Have some fun. Took out a 392. But if you guys enjoy the content on the channel, make sure you drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications, and let me know down in the comment section if you want a special video on the channel. My mom is coming from Chicago to visit for Thanksgiving. Comes in tomorrow, so I'm gonna go pick her up in the 99. I'm gonna hide the GoPro and you know, do my thing. So if you guys want to see that vid, drop a like, let me know down in the comment section. I ain't gonna go too crazy because obviously got that clutch issue right now. So I don't want the car to break down with her, because that would be horrible if we got a plane overhead. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.